Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. My name is Raju and with me is Ramyasri, the other web project team member. So today we'll introduce our project Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, a game that combines the thrill of a popular game show with the benefits of educational learning. Our goal was to create an experience that's as fun as it's informative. So, the main objective of our game, Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, is nothing. Like, we just wanted to bridge the education and the entertainment, making a learning more engaging and a game like experience. So, let's start with a quick overview of our project. So basically, the concept of our project is like our project is inspired by the famous game show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. It's a web-based platform where users can register, log in, and answer multiple choice questions to earn a score. We've used PHP for session management, which allows users to track their progress as they answer the questions, where each correct answer increases the user's score, bringing them closer to the winning within the game. The main purpose which we aimed was to make learning an engaging and challenging experience where the user feel motivated to participate actively. By using an entertaining format, we hope to make educational content more memorable and enjoyable for users. So now let's look at the problem of our project addresses. As we know, like many current educational platforms focus mainly on delivering information but often lack an engaging approach. Users can quickly lose interest without a way to interact with the material in a meaningful and enjoyable way. So why especially like it matters? Because a significant number of users seek not to adjust knowledge but a captivating experience that challenges and rewards them. So how our project is gonna bridge the gap. Our platform combines learning with entertainment, creating a game-based environment that encourages users to participate actively, improving both the retention and enjoyment. So next, we'll see how our project features support this objective. So coming to the solution overview, we have the user authentication, where the first feature is by authenticating the user by creating an account, and users can track their progress, scores, making the experience personal and goal oriented. We also have multiple choice questions where we provide a range of questions at different difficulty levels. This variety makes the game challenging and ensures users are constantly engaged. We also have scoring and earnings, where with each correct answer, the user earn virtual currency, simulating the feel of the original game show. However, an incorrect answer ends the game, adding an element of suspense. We also have a leaderboard where we finally a leaderboard it displays the top scores, motivating users to improve their performance and compete with others. These features create a balanced mix of education and entertainment, which is central to our project success. So now let's talk about our development process. So, okay, can we go to the next slide? Yeah. So this is our next slide, which depicts the UML diagram of a project where we have a flow chart which outlines the user flow of our Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game application. The process starts on the index page where both new and the existing users are directed. So the new user can go to the sign up page to register, while existing users can proceed directly to the login page. After entering their credentials, if the login is successful, then the user is taken to the game index page where they can start the game. Once the game begins, each question has two possible outcomes. If answered correctly, the user is awarded money and prompted to continue playing. They can either choose to keep playing or log out. If they answer incorrectly, they are automatically logged out, ending the game, and any unsuccessful login attempts results in an invalid credentials message and termination of the process. So from here, Ramyasri Nadra will take care.
Hi everyone, this is Ramyashri. So here I'll be showing about the code demo. So as you see here, so this is the screen where the new users can sign in. So here we are displaying different labels and input types. So here we are using different text, date types, radio buttons as well as the button to upload the image. So here now we will be moving to the next slide. Yeah, so this is the home screen. So when the user logins into the particular page, so we'll be redirecting it to the home screen, so where we will be displaying the profile of the user as well as the name of the user, and we'll be giving two options to the user. So first one is to start the game and second one is to log out of the game. And moreover, we are also displaying the sessions. So this is the games played by the user when he logged in previously. So here we are displaying it along with the date when he logged in and the time at the particular time where he logged in and the amount he has won. So here we are using file get content function in order to process scores.txt. So in score.txt we will be storing the info of the sessions, so where we'll be processing it using the explode function and we will be displaying it in line by line format. And moving further, we will be showing the question page, so where it displays the amount of that particular question. So if the user selects particular answer and if he clicks on submit answer, we'll check whether the answer is correct or not. If it is correct, then we will be adding that particular amount to the existing amount, and we'll be showing, if the answer is correct, then we'll be showing the entire amount won by the user, and if it is wrong, we will be showing the logout page. And here we used questions.txt file, so where it consists of different type of questions as well as the options. So here also we are using same explode function in order to process each question line by line, and slash n indicates the next line where we will be processing each question, so that each screen displays only one question at a time. So when user clicks on submit button, if the answer is correct, then we will be redirecting to the next question. So yeah, as you see here the screen, so here the user has answered wrong, so we are displaying it like you have answered wrong, and we are also displaying the right answer as well as he won't be able to play further. So that's the reason we are displaying logout. So user need to log out from that particular session. And coming to the scrum methodology, so first we have used the team collaboration and requirement gatherings, so where we defined our objectives and essential features. And next, in the design brainstorming stage, we worked through multiple layouts and feature ideas to create a user friendly and engaging platform. In the game and scoreboard logic development phase, we implemented the main functionality, making sure that the game flow, scoring, and leaderboard update more seamlessly. Finally, we had our testing and refinement stage where we rigorously tested each component to ensure everything worked as expected. This iterative collaborative process allowed us to develop an efficient and engaging solution. And coming to the next slide, testing, our testing process was through focusing on the user experience as well as the functional accuracy. So first we conducted unit testing to verify that the questions displays correctly, ensuring user always see what they need to answer. We tested sessions to confirm that the user remain logged in securely and their progress is accurately tracked. Credential testing verified that login and registration processes are secure and effective. Finally, we conducted answer verification to ensure that the system correctly identifies and responds to the right or wrong answers, providing accurate feedback and score updates. So, this comprehensive testing approach allowed us to deliver a reliable and polished final product. And let's now jump into the demo. So as you see here, this is our login page. So this is our first page in this project. So if it is an existing user, they can log in with the name and password. So if it is a new user, then we need to sign up. So first let's log in as an existing user. So if I try to log in as an existing user, yeah, so if we try to log in as an existing user, we will be displaying the amount of the product, the amount that we have won, and the session at the time where we have logged in. And this is the profile image I have uploaded during the time of sign up. And this is the two options that we are providing, start the game and log out game. And this is my scoreboard. And if I try to log out, it will be redirected to again sign in page. Now let's try to sign in as a new user. So if I try to sign in as a new user, yeah, so now let us sign in as a new user. So if I try to give the new username and particular mail ID and some random date of birth and phone number as well as password, and some. So here we have registered as in Raju, and now let's try to log in as in Raju user. So since this is a new session, so it won't be able to display the previous games as well as the previous time at which he has logged in. So this is how it continues. From here, Raju will take care.
Okay, so now let me walk you through the main game flow. So after successful login, once you click on Start Game, you will be redirected to the main game page where the questions are displayed. So each question is randomly selected from our questions.txt file. Where if now let's see we have the question what made and repaired by a cobbler. So if we click on the correct answer, or just if you click on a random option and if you just submit the answer, then the user will be awarded with $100 and presented within the two options. So and we have two options. The two options are either to proceed to the next question or log out. If they choose to proceed, which is nothing but the continue game, then the next question will be displayed. And if you click on the option and if you click on the submit answer, then yeah, so then it's a correct one. So then even you got the two options to continue game or to log out. So let's continue the game now. So it's like the next question is selected based on an increasing difficulty level. So it's keeping the game engaging and the challenge and challenging. So now let's select some other option. And if you click on submit, so here if they answer incorrectly, then the game ends and the total winnings are displayed. This brings game to a close, allowing the user to see their total progress before logging out. So the only one option which we have is just to log out. Yeah, this is how the game works. Thank you all for taking the time to join us today, for your interest in our project. We truly appreciate your attention and enthusiasm as we walk through the features and mechanics. Who wants to be a millionaire? We hope you enjoy learning about our approach to merging the education with entertainment. We'd like to express our gratitude to our mentors, faculty, team members, and our teaching assistant who guided and supported us through this journey. Their insights and encouragement made this project possible. Finally, thank you once again for your presence here. We look forward for your feedback and any questions you might have. You can drop them in a comment box. Thank you.